Hi everybody, welcome back to another exhaust install video. Our good friend Jared is back from MBRP and he's got us a little treat.
Okay man, well this will be a little different than something we've done in the past. Obviously we've specialized in a lot of catbacks we've done before. We've thrown in some gas truck, thrown in other Euro applications as well, but today this is our first active system.
So active means there's valves, right?
Correct, yes. So on the MK8 behind me, it comes with factory active exhaust, so we're going to utilize those modules here on our system as well, so you're going to have the same feature.
Oh, wicked. Yeah, it's good to be able to go into stealth mode and, whenever you need to roll by someone with police and, or when you're being a really good citizen or stuff. Yeah, we'll cut this part out. Well, don't worry, you won't see this.
Bruh.
Cool. So what else, other than that, I see it's pretty much the same as that the Mark 7 system that we installed a while back. Still got the handhold system here. Is there anything else different from this on this system versus that one, other than the valve?
It's very, very similar. To kind of give you the overview of the whole system. Again, this is our Armor Pro series, as you'll see on the site. 304 stainless, so that's the best stainless you're going to get. Lifetime warranty, which is always great. Again, we do back that by guaranteed fitment as well.
I've done a few of these MBRP systems, and it is a true bolt-on system. This is a system that, if you were doing this at home, everything fits. You don't have to modify, cut, do anything. It is as advertised bolt-on, which we really appreciate. As you're going to see, they give you all of the fasteners, all the clamps you need, even the hardware to put the active valving system on there. And again, you just recycle the valves from the stock car.
Exactly. A couple of things we have on the table here that I want to point out. Obviously, you mentioned the humboldt here too. For those that are new to that, that is something that we tune the system with to help kind of reduce drone, be a lot deeper sound as well. Really conscious of wherever you're using that vehicle, especially with the active system. It gives you so much variety where you can use the system, so to make sure it gives you a great sound, but nothing overbearing. Other thing you'll notice as well too is actually oversized to 3-inch inlet, 4.5-inch carbon fiber tips.
Is this the only tip option for this setup, or you can mix and match?
For the active system, it's just carbon, because when you're spending a premium dollar as well, you're going to get the best. I'm excited. Let's get the stock system off and let's fire the MBRP on and see what it sounds like.
Hell yeah. Let's come along for the ride, friends.
Let's do it.
Hey boys, step aside, time to let the big dog work his magic.
Uncle Richie always is the right tool for the job. So along with more flow, better sound, you're also going to save a lot of weight getting rid of this thing. So you guys know we always show you the realness. We're literally like less than 10 minutes in and we already have half our install done. Thanks to MBRP and their beautiful R&D.
Shout out to our design team, guys, honestly. It's pretty cool to see how far things have come and how our tolerances will get super close. I mean, once Rich gets the system on, you can just see even clearances from like the drive shaft. That was hot. The drive shaft, and everything coming into the rear section of the car, there's a lot of clearances you got to be mindful of too. So it's.
But thankfully, you guys laser scan everything and
3D scan everything. So once we initially say we started a project on this car, we scan it and then pull the system off. Scan the factory systems too, so you actually get a full image of where the system sits, and then you can mount your kit to those factory locations. So
very cool.
Perfect fit.
What are we doing?
You ready, Hollywood?
It's okay, Richie. Cross-threading is free Loctite. Oh yeah.
So, quick overview of the system. Pick it up right here. This is our 304 stainless system we talked about. You asked earlier about the difference between this and the last generation system. So as I talked about, the last generation system actually has an active option, which is very similar to this, but the other system obviously won't have this bigger high flow muffler at the back too on the non-active Golf R system. So I just wanted to kind of highlight that.
Okay.
But for this one here, we do utilize that humboldt as we spoke about earlier. So that's all nicely fits in here. Lots of clearance for your drive shaft and everything. So just so obviously being racing and stuff like that, it's nice to make sure that
tolerances are met. Yeah.
Exactly. So, yeah, coming through here, utilizing your factory mounting locations as well. So, nice exhaust hangers and stuff like that are all located in there too. Let's exit it out into the back here. This is obviously where a lot of the magic happens, is right in here. Into our high flow muffler, exiting into these killer carbon tips. Now, obviously, you have your valves on either side. With your valves from your factory system will just bolt up to those laser cut brackets on top. So it's going to work just like your factory valves would work, but for a much better sound. Into the 4.5-inch carbon tips, really make that back end of your vehicle pop. So
looks amazing.
So,
and let's get this thing on the ground. Can't wait to hear it.
Yeah, let's stop talking about it. Let's see what it sounds like.
All right.
You want to see some power?
Thanks for checking out another exhaust video. We'll see you all next time. Bye now.